In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your dividend payments on the Robinhood app. Whether you're new to investing or just getting familiar with how dividends work, this guide will help you locate and understand all your dividend activity within your account. Let's begin. First, you'll need to open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, enter your account credentials to access your portfolio. Robinhood places a lot of emphasis on making things simple and secure, so just make sure you're logging in from a device you trust. Now, it's important to understand how dividends are paid on Robinhood. Whenever you own shares in a company that decides to pay a dividend, those funds are automatically deposited right into your Robinhood account. There's no extra action needed on your part. Robinhood handles it all behind the scenes. This means that as you build a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, you'll see those earnings show up over time with no additional hassle. To actually view the details of your dividend payments, look toward the bottom right of your Robinhood app, where you'll see the account icon. Give it a tap to open your account menu. From there, select the option labeled History. This section is your personal record book. It tracks all the activity that's happened in your account, from purchases and sales to deposits, withdrawals, and of course, dividend payments. Once you're in the History section, you'll find a specific category for dividends. Tapping on this will display a clear list of all the dividend payments you've received. For each payment, you'll see the exact dollar amount credited to your account, along with the name of the stock that paid out the dividend. This makes it easy to keep track of which companies in your portfolio are providing you with dividend income and how much you're earning from each one. A quick note, most companies pay their dividends quarterly, which means you can expect 3-month intervals between payments. However, there are companies that issue dividends on a monthly or even annual basis, so the timing can vary depending on which stocks you own. If you're curious about when to expect your next payment, you might want to check the investor relations page for each company. But Robinhood will make sure you see the transaction as soon as it happens. And that's really all there is to it. Checking your dividend payments on Robinhood is simple, intuitive, and keeps you updated on how your investments are working for you. Thanks for watching and happy investing.